Hey, it's Alex from Treasure Coast House Hunters. Today we're exploring PGA Village Verano in Port Saint Lucie, Florida, and I can't wait to showcase the Valerie Model with a bonus second floor. This beauty offers 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car split garage, and even room for a pool. Inside you'll find an abundance of space and style. For more details or to reach out, check the comments below, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for instant access to all of our videos. Now let's dive into the tour. Stepping inside, you'll be greeted by PGA Verano's signature 11-foot 4-inch volume ceilings, which gracefully ascend to an impressive 12 feet in the coffered tray ceilings that adorn each room. As you enter, take a moment to admire the entryway's magnificent 14-foot coffered tray ceiling, setting the stage for the luxury that unfolds within. PGA Verano empowers you with the unique opportunity to tailor your dream home to your liking, offering an array of structural options. Your safety is paramount at PGA Verano. Every home is meticulously constructed to withstand the most formidable of storms, exceeding the latest storm codes. With solid concrete block construction and hurricane impact glass throughout, these homes offer unparalleled protection. The addition of concrete tile roofs not only enhances aesthetics, but also ensures that your homeowner's insurance remains exceptionally affordable. But the luxury experience extends even further. When you commit to a home at PGA Verano, you'll have the privilege of collaborating with a skilled designer to customize every aspect of your interior finishes. From hand-selected countertops to exquisite cabinetry and sumptuous flooring, each detail is thoughtfully curated to mirror your unique style and vision. These magnificent homes rest on generously sized lots, each measuring at least 70 feet in width and 130 feet in depth. These sprawling outdoor spaces offer a blank canvas for your creative landscaping aspirations, be it a lush garden, a sparkling pool oasis, or a tranquil sanctuary. Rest assured, all PGA Verano homes are safeguarded by a comprehensive 10-year builder's warranty, guaranteeing the longevity and security of your real estate investment. Envision a second floor bonus room, a private retreat for whatever you desire. Extend your garage with a convenient 4-foot extension or indulge in the luxury of extending the rear lanai and master bedroom by 4 feet. Thank you for joining us today on this exclusive tour of PGA Verano in the heart of Port Saint Lucie, Florida. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the luxurious lifestyle this community has to offer. Before we wrap up, we'd like to share something important with you. If you're considering making PGA Verano your new home or exploring other new construction communities in the Treasure Coast area, it's crucial to have the right guidance. Builders in these communities often require that you work with a trusted real estate team from your very first visit. That's where we come in, the Treasure Coast House Hunters team. Working with us means you'll have a dedicated navigator throughout the entire process and beyond. Moving to a new community can bring many questions and uncertainties, but with us, you're just a phone call or text message away from answers and support. We're here to make your transition seamless and enjoyable. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos showcasing incredible homes and communities. We value your feedback. Please take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your opinions matter to us, and we're always striving to create content that resonates with you. For more information on PGA Verano and other communities, or to get in touch with us directly, you can find all our contact details in the video description below. Once again, thank you for joining us today. We look forward to being your trusted partners in finding your dream home in the Treasure Coast. Until next time, take care and stay inspired.